Hello YouTube, Dano here. One of the my subscribers on Instagram asked me to let them know what I have in the way of Craftsman ratchet rebuild kits. So we'll go through these real quick. Focus. 4, 3, 4, 2, 6. We got 4 of those. Next one here. 4, 3, 4, 2, 4. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. We got 4, 3, 4, 2, 4. Oh, that's that one. That's 5. We got this 4, 3, 4, 2, 7. And I got 3 of them. Notice that. Made in USA. Alright, we got 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Got 4, 3, 4, 3, 5. I've only got one of each of those. We got 4, 3, 3, 8, 6. 4, 3, 4. What was it? 4, 3, 3, 6, 2. That's a 1/2 inch drive one. I think that's a complete kit there. And what else we got? We don't have the anvil, but we got everything else from it. 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. Alright, so that's all the Craftsman ones. That's a 1/2 inch there. We got a bunch of Herbrand anvils. No clips or anything. I got about 20 of those. We got one 1/2 inch one. This is our 3/8 one. We got about 20 of those or so. And I forget what this is out of. It's only like a 22th ratchet though. Alright. And we got some of these big ones from Canadian Tire. No country of origin on these. That's the ratchet number it's supposed to fit. I got 6 of these buggers. Pretty big. No country of origin. No clips. Well, yeah, clip. That's it. Nothing else. So I got 6 of those. Let's see what else we got. We got some of these ones here. 5/8, 7/3, 9/4, and it's got the flat side on them. I got 3 of those. I got some of these 3/8 torque wrench repair kits. 3/8 or 5/8 8775-2. I got about 4 of those. I got these other ones. 5/8 90988. Got the retaining ring and all the bits. gauge drive. I got like 4 of those. And there's 1/2-inch drive torque wrench repair kits. Numbers 588770. I got 1, 2, 3, 5 of those. Next up, 58-98006. That's all the goodies to switch everything. And I've probably got about 15 of those. And there's some more 1/2-inch drive ones. 589056. Let's do that again. 58-90656. And I got what? I got like 4 of them. There's some 1/4-inch stuff. 58-90970. And it's got all that in it. I got 6 of those. This one's 58-90430. It's a professional series. I only got 1 of those. And I think I got 3 or 4 of these. 587393-6. It's got the knurling on the end of it so you can use your thumb. And I think I got 3 of them. I think I got this one. This is a different one. 58-90656. And I've only got 3 of those. So that's what I've got. See if we can get this closed now. There we go. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, stop by and say hello. Dano out.